Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Chrysler Town and Country transmission. First, ensure you have all necessary tools and safety gear, including jack stands and a transmission jack. Begin by safely lifting the vehicle and draining all the old transmission fluid. Next, carefully disconnect any electrical connectors and cooling lines attached to the transmission. This preparation is crucial for a smooth removal process. Now, proceed with removing the drive axles from the transmission and detaching relevant sections of the exhaust system to create clearance. It is vital to securely support the engine using an engine hoist or brace to prevent it from dropping once the transmission is removed. With the engine supported, carefully unbolt the transmission from the engine bell housing, ensuring all fasteners are accounted for. With the old unit out, carefully maneuver the new transmission into position using a transmission jack. Align it precisely with the engine bell housing and secure it with the appropriate bolts. Reconnect all electrical connectors, cooling lines, and the exhaust system. Finally, reinstall the drive axles. Ensure all connections are tight and properly seated before proceeding to the next step. After installation, refill the transmission with the manufacturer-specified amount and type of fluid. Start the engine and check for any leaks around the transmission pan and lines. Allow the fluid to circulate, then recheck the level. Perform a thorough test drive, listening for unusual noises and ensuring smooth shifting. Remember to dispose of the old transmission fluid responsibly at an approved facility.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.